Hello friends, come swim with me down below the deep blue sea. We will learn and sing along. Every friend will share a song. I'm Sammy Shark, I'm brave and kind. I help my friends when they're in a bind. I keep the ocean clean and bright, so all sea creatures feel delight.
Ollie octopus with arms so wide, I wave hello from every side. I can count from 1 to 8. Learning numbers is so great.
Tina turtle swims so slow. Through the coral reefs I go. I teach patience every day. Learning comes in every way. Dolly dolphin jumps up high, touching clouds in the blue sky. I teach shapes both big and small. Round like bubbles, let's learn them all. Clara clownfish, bright and sweet, hides in coral, can't be beat. I know colors, red, green, blue. Come and I will teach to you.
Betty whale, I'm large and long. I sing loud with the whale song. I teach music deep and clear. Every fish will clap and cheer.
Sally Seahorse, small and gold, with my tail I gently hold. I teach caring, being kind, helps all friends have peace of mind. Crabby crab with claws that click, I can teach a counting trick. Snip, snap, snapping, 1, 2, 3. Learning's fun beneath the sea. Starry starfish loves to spin. Every dance makes me grin. I teach shapes like stars so bright, shining in the ocean light. Jelly, jellyfish that glows, every color softly shows. I teach rainbows end to end. Learning's better with a friend.
Thank you friends, the sea's our home. Many wonders when we roam. We learn lessons